self-learning manual পড়া চলছে text page 1 introduction the Braille system. The Braille system is a simple arrangement of 6 embossed dots that allows a blind person to read via the sense of touch. During its 165-year history, this system of literacy for the sightless citizens has gained worldwide recognition and survived numerous efforts at modification, refinement, and even outright overthrow. To date, this system represents a code of symbols for literature, science and mathematics, music, and computer. Touch reading. System of touch reading was first evolved from an 8-dot, quote, night-writing, unquote, code created by Charles Barbier, B-A-R-B-I-E-R, for the French army. Considering the limitations of this system for blind persons, Louis Braille, a Frenchman, first developed the present 6-dot configuration responding to tactile sensitivity of a fingertip. Louis Braille, 1809 to 1852. The youngest son of a saddler, Louis Braille, at the age of 3 years, met with an accident while playing with his father's pruning knife. This caused loss of his vision, first in one eye and then in the other. The heartbreaking loss of the Braille family proved providential for the blind and brought a quiet revolution in the world of written communication. The code carries the name of Braille, the inventor of alphabet for the blind. Despite the easy access to print through recorded material, it cannot replace Braille as the basis for literacy for both information and recreation. To be literate, one must learn the conventions of a written language, its structure, spelling, and punctuation. The other advantages of Braille include immediate and random access to the written word, skimming, labeling, filing, reading tables, and reading technical material. Above all, Braille is the only viable reading method available to deaf-blind persons. Sources used for the preparation of this manual: 1. Pierre Henry, The Life and Work of Louis Braille, 1809 to 1852, Pretoria, South African National Council for the Blind, 1987, 93 pages. 2. World Braille Usage, Washington, D.C., Library of Congress, 1990, 124 pages. 3. Maxine B. Dorff and Erler Sherry, Instruction Manual for Braille Transcribing, Washington, D.C., Library of Congress, 1979, 138 pages. Page 2. 4. NBA Bulletin, New York National Braille Association. 5. Code of Textbook Formats and Techniques, 1977, Louisville, American Printing House for the Blind, 1985, 226 pages. 6. Swarn Ahuja, Bharti Braille Shikshak, Hindi, Bombay National Association of the Blind, 1989, 79 pages. I repeat, National Association for the Blind, 1989, 79 pages. 7. J.M. Gill, Equipment for Visually Disabled People, an International Guide, London, Royal National Institute for the Blind, RNIB, 1992. Guidelines for a sighted transcriber on use of this manual. This manual is designed primarily for use of sighted volunteers who would enroll with the SVH Braille transcription home study course through correspondence. Before joining this course, the student must have the following items ready: a copy of this manual, Braille paper, plastic A4 Braille writing frame and stylus, a Braille eraser, and a standard dictionary, preferably Webster's Dictionary. This course is intended to familiarize the student thoroughly with the Braille system, Braille contractions and their usage, and with the rules of Braille transcribing. Considering the distance between the student and the teacher, an alphabetical index of Braille signs, a list of typical and problem words showing applicability of contractions in parentheses, and guidelines for an Indian standard format have been enclosed for use of students. The entire course is divided into 14 lessons. Students should first read thoroughly the rules and examples given in each lesson and understand them. Then they should attempt at transcribing the drills and exercises given in each lesson and submit them to the teacher for examination and correction. After the teacher has examined the submitted work, a detailed note will be sent to the student pointing out, if any, errors marked and making helpful comments, and a new assignment will be given. Braille, or quote, blind literature, unquote, as termed by the Department of Posts, Government of India, is postage free. After finishing the brailled material, the student should either enclose it in an envelope or staple it after folding. The address label should contain the following declaration in bold letters on top: Blind literature, post free. This material is delivered via book post, hence the envelope should be either tied with a string or stapled for inspection for the postal department. For admission into the course, obtaining a Braille writing kit, mailing of exercises, and any other queries, write to M.S. Henna Basu, Honorary Secretary, Society for the Visually Handicapped. I omit the address here. Phone 923-922-2524. Page 3. For instructions on how to handle slate and punch dots, a demonstration is arranged where the student has to be present on the first day. During this session, a bunch of Braille paper is given to the students. Braille writing kit containing one A4 plastic Braille writing frame, one knob stylus, one eraser and Braille paper is available with the Society on request on enrollment of this course. For direct purchase from the manufacturer, please contact the following: Worth, WORTH, Trust, 48 New Thiruvallam Road, Katpadi, Vellore 632007. Tamil Nadu. Phone 0416 224 2739. Email worth@md3.vsnl.net.in. Brailler is a Braille writing machine. Worth Trust is the sole manufacturer and distributor of Perkins Brailler in India. For detail, contact the above address. Text continued in next file.